Ein Vogel auf dem Drahtseil is an old saying about a bird dancing on a tightrope. It is an expression that signifies being in a precarious situation. It implies that the bird may lose his balance and fall. This phrase is often used to describe a person's situation in life. When someone feels as if they are navigating a dangerous tightrope, they often use this expression. It is a reminder that sometimes one has little control over what happens in their life. The phrase is also applicable to risk-taking situations where someone may jump into something without properly assessing their risk. It is a symbol for one who does not take into account the consequences of their actions. In short, it serves as a warning for those who may take too many unnecessary risks. The phrase can also refer to someone's attitude or outlook on life. It speaks of how one should try to balance their life, even if it is difficult. It is a reminder to take control of one's situation, even if it is difficult. It speaks of the ability to take risks, but also to recognize one's limitations. It signifies courage and resilience, even when the odds are against you. Even if one falls off of the wire, they can dust themselves off and try again. It is a reminder of both the dangers and exhilaration associated with living. Symbolically, it is a reminder to stay grounded and to pay attention to the details. It is also a way to gain perspective on life's challenges and opportunities. It is a reminder to appreciate the beauty and joy of life, even when the risk of failure is high. To walk the tightrope requires a steady hand, along with courage. It carries a message of overcoming fear and adversity in order to achieve success. In order to stay balanced on the wire, one must have a firm grasp on the present. It is a reminder that each decision we make carries potential risks and rewards. It is also a reflection of how all decisions have consequences, both good and bad. Although one may falter, it is possible to get back up and continue on.